Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and today we're going to be using the Desi x Katy with Dose of Colors, the Friendcation palette. I'm going to be doing a look with that, just a regular eyeshadow look. So here's what the palette looks like. It has many shades, very gorgeous shades. This is a duochrome. It shifts to purple. In the light, we've got green, we've got like a nice deep blue/black, lots of transition shades, a brow bone shade, and these beautiful colors right here. So I'm going to be doing a look using this palette, and all the shade names are on the back. So let's just sit here, pretend to be friends through the internet, and let's just get started. I'm going to be taking what's a Morphe M433. Actually, yes, I want to do a halo eye today, so I'm going to be taking this shade right here, the third one in, which would be Necessary. I'm just going to pack that on, fluffing it up toward the brow bone. These shades are really pigmented. That didn't look that pigmented in the actual pan, but going on the eye, stunning. It's just a really nice transition shade. Beautiful brown. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is Girl Bye, on a flat packer brush. This one's just from Profusion. And I'm going to pack this on the outer corner. I have this here to catch any fallout because I do not know how these shadows perform. Since I'm on a no-buy, I've had this palette in my collection and I don't remember, I think I did one video on it and no one ever watched it, so I never picked it up again. So again, just packing that on the outer corner. And then doing the same thing on the inner corner. Just be very careful about your placement here. And connecting it through the middle. I'm going to layer that a few more times to make it really nice and deep and smoky. Now that that's blended, I'm going to take this first shade here called Basic. It's basic, like me. And that's going to be our brow bone shade. Really nice and light. Just taking a flat shader brush, different one. And then, for the star of the show, I'm going to be taking this shade, Try Me, and I'm just going to use my finger. Fingers work best, I feel. Look at that pigment. I'm going to put that in the middle. Same thing with the other eye. Just tapping. And then I'm going to take Just a Kiss right here. I just sort of wiped off my fingers. And I'm going to be placing that right over top. It's that ultra glossy look. That's so pretty. Wow, that's stunning. I just put mascara, lashes on. These are the Kiss 11 lashes for mascara. I went in with the L'Oreal Unlimited and the Covergirl liquid liner, the brush tip in 350 that I've been using. And so that's what the top looks like. We're gonna go ahead and finish the bottom. I'm going to take this rose shade again on It's Girl Bye on the Shop Miss A E142 brush. Perfect for the lower lash line. Oh, and obviously I removed the bake. But there was really no fallout. So I'm just going to smoke this out, taking it slow. Really like the look of this. Sort of a rose gold halo eye. Perfect for fall. because summer is gone by. Like girl bye, summer gone by. So I'm just smoking that out. For the inner corner, I'm going to be taking a Sigma E30 brush. It's a pencil brush. And I'm going to take Just a Kiss on that brush. Put it right on the inner corner. Ooh. That's stunning. That Just a Kiss shade is really intense. Super beautiful. Can't really see it on this side though. Put it on the brow bone too. Why not? And then I'm just going to take this Rimmel Scandaleyes and some mascara, and that'll finish off the look. And with that, our look is finished. Here's the eye look that I created. A rose gold halo eye with the Desi, Katy, and Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials using this palette, like a 3 shadow look, 1 palette kind of deal. I hope you all enjoyed this. I love you all. Subscribe if you're not already. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.